Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. This is Della and today we will be making a roasted duck. So we're going to make sure we season our duck and we're going to marinate it. So we're going to season it with Poultry Seasoning, some Zesty Italian season, black pepper, turmeric, onion powder, some thyme, some ginger, some Sazon with no MSG, some salt and some garlic powder. So you just want to mix all of that seasoning up so it can get around all the parts of the duck. Mix it all up and make your own little seasoning. And make sure you season to taste. Clean your duck in vinegar. Make sure you dry it with a paper towel so you can get a crispy skin. And that should be good. And one thing about the duck is good to make its own little fat. You want to season the front and the back. And make its own little fat. Now just season the back. The duck make a nice grease. Use that grease, or the duck oil. Use that duck oil to saute all your vegetables. And duck oil is expensive too. You can make your own duck oil with the duck. So season the front and the back. We're not going to add no olive oil on this because it's so greasy. Duck is very greasy. Now you want to marinate it for at least 30 minutes. And you can marinate it overnight. But I'm going to do 30 minutes. You want to season the inside. Get all up in there. Rub it down. Good massage. Now we're going to cover it up. You want to cover it up and refrigerate it and let it marinate. Now it's ready for the oven, ready to get roasted. You're going to take a whole onion, a half a green pepper, and 3 garlic cloves. And we're going to use this to stuff the duck. Put everything on the inside. Get it way up in there. So it'll be nicely seasoned. Get all the flavor on it. Now you want to bake it at 375 for 1 hour and 45 minutes. Baste every 30 minutes and then roast for additional 10 minutes. Now you want to put it in the oven, let it roast for a half an hour. Then you want to do your first baste. Make sure you baste it every half an hour. That looks beautiful. Now that just looked beautiful. Thank you guys so much for all your support. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. And don't forget to subscribe. I really appreciate it. I thank you in advance. And thanks for stopping by. You want to roast it another 10 minutes to get it crispy. Now it's done. Let it rest for at least 20 minutes. And we're going to store and drain the duck fat. Store it in the fridge for 1 week and freeze it for up to a year. You can use the duck fat for sauteing and frying. Make sure you enjoy the duck fat in moderation. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. I thank you in advance. And remember, health is wealth, and we must take care of ourselves.